Okay, welcome back. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a couple of examples. So the first one here, A, is we have 17.5% of students text 200 plus times a day, or so at least 200 times a day, and represented in this pie chart. Okay, and we want to find the area of the sector of the circle. So what do we do? Well, we find that the sector of the circle, oh, by the way, and we're told that the radius of the circle is 8.5 centimeters long. And so this sector of the pie chart represents 200 plus students, okay? And it has a central angle of 63 degrees, 63.0 degrees. Now, how do we get that from the information given? Well, because what we did is we took the fraction of the circle, what fraction of 360 degrees is it, right? So we wanted to know theta over 360 degrees equals 17.5% of the circle, right? Because the wedge is supposed to represent the proportion of the circle, and the proportion is supposed to also represent the percentage of objects or subjects that fall into that category. So that means theta is just going to be 17.5% of the entire circle. So that's the fraction of the circle. And that equals 63.0 degrees. Okay, so that's how we get the central angle. Now we want to find the area of that sector. Okay, well, what's the area of the sector? Again, that's going to be 1/2 theta r squared. Okay, so now all we do is we take 1/2 of 63.0 times 8.5 squared, so this is centimeters, so the area is going to be centimeters squared. Okay. Oh, by the way, this is in degrees. Do we want it in degrees? No, this is based on radians because the formula assumes radians. So we're going to have to change this to degrees. And how do we change from degrees to radians? Well, we have to multiply by what? Pi over 180 degrees, and then times 8.5 squared. Okay. And so the degrees are going to cancel and we get the unitless radians, which is a unitless measure, and then we get centimeters squared. Okay. And so 8.5 squared, that's 56.25. No, that's not right. That's 63.25. Yeah, 63.25. But the rest we'll stick in our calculator. And let's see, we stick in our calculator, we get approximately 39.7 square centimeters. 39, what was it again? Yeah. So 39.7 centimeters squared. Okay, and that's the answer. So now, here's the next question they have. It says, given that the area of the pie chart shows that the percent of students who send 100 to 199 texts per day is 45.4 cubic centimeters. It says, what's the central angle? Okay, so what's theta? So now we're given the area here for this group of students who text from 100 to 199 texts per day. And we want to find out what the measurement of that central angle is. Well, we can definitely do that. So we want to find theta. Now, we're going to use the area formula. So again, area of a sector is 1/2 theta r squared. And now we're going to solve for theta, so that means theta is going to equal area, or 2 times the area, because we're going to divide by 1/2, 2a over r squared. So now we're going to plug in, and we get 2 times the area, which is 45.4 centimeters squared, over the radius squared, right, which is going to be centimeters. So we're going to get centimeters over centimeters, which is going to cancel each other out, and we end up with a unitless number, which again is radians. And so if we do this, so here we're going to get 90.8 over 63 or excuse me, I'm sorry, not 63.25, 72.25. That's what I meant. I misspoke on the other one. Yeah. So that should be 72.25. I misspoke earlier. I think I said 63.25. Okay, but anyway, we get 90.8 divided by 72.25. And of course, if you stick this in your calculator, you will get approximately 1.26 radians. Okay. That's it. Have a great day.